Hello everyone. In this episode I will speak about advanced build.gradle and build.properties. Now, in the root of your project you need a file called build.properties, and in that file you will add this Minecraft version, Forge version, and mod version. Okay, and save it, of course. Then in your build.gradle, first of all, we will apply some plugins for Java and for Forge. Maven, if you are using Maven, of course I'm using Maven. This is for Maven repository, and I will use NEI. As you can see, this is how I'm getting Code Chicken Bones stuff from Maven. Then we will add this part, tasks.withType Java compile, source compatibility 1.7, target compatibility 1.7, and options.encoding UTF-8. This will make so that your code will be compiled with Java with Java 7, not Java 6. Then we will read the external config file, and that is build.properties that we already made. Okay, and from that the reader reads defining new properties. Okay, and we load everything in the properties and parse it. And here's the fun part. Before this we had version equals this number. Okay, now we say config.mod version, and mod version is of course the entry that we have in our build properties. Okay, this word should be exactly the same with this word. Then of course we define our group, we define our archive base, and we remove that old Minecraft version stuff. We add a new thing. We say version equals to config.minecraft version, of course that's this guy, plus the config version from Forge, that is this guy. So it will be what? 17-10-10.13.1.12.25. Then we replace in reference.reference.java everything that has version, and we don't have it yet because if I open the source main, Java, com, Jiraiya, jpiston, and reference, you see that I'm not using that version here. Okay, what I can do is this. I'll get this exact same thing. So copy, and instead of that, paste it here. Okay, so version, we will change it to config mod version dot from build numbers and adding to that. Okay, if properties that dot has property jpiston underline signature, if I had that inside here, of course I would add a fingerprint stuff inside the reference too, and dependencies. Now as I said, I will depending on glHandler stuff, and this has changed because I had missed it, and it is now lowercase glHandler, but I didn't build that stuff yet, so that's that. And I will use while later on. Okay, now we change the version again. We say config.minecraft version dash mod version dot the numbers from the upgoing builds. Then we go into process resources, excluding anything that has XCF for any reason. We include .info, and remember the only file that has .info is mcmod. Replace version and MC version, expand mod underscore version, project version, Minecraft underscore blah blah. Okay, and if we take a look at our main resources, MC mod info, I don't have them. Okay, so I need to change it. Let me see, how should I change it? From my notes. There we go. MC mod info come out. And yeah, that is this version is, of course, mod version, and MC version is Minecraft version is this guy. Okay, and well, for logo file, if you recall, we had a file, so we add it here. Assets, JPiston, and then into textures and logo and logo.png. Okay, that's that. We don't have any screenshots. We don't have any other things. We only have, yeah, no, that's it, and that's it. And then it will replace the mod version with the version we made on top, and Minecraft version with the config version that we gave it. Then we will, of course, exclude every other thing that has .info for any reason. Now, we make two classifier and extension. These guys are starting for Maven, okay? Then we will go, if we have Jenkins for any reason, we are importing Gradle stuff. We are creating the changelog for the Jenkins, like that. We can take a look at that in repository later. Then we change the task depends. And here we are starting Maven stuff, I think. No, sign the jar. Oh, okay. So we are going to add keys to signing our jar if we have the key. And we get the code chicken libs, as you can see here. And we set up the comfort space depends on copy chicken and stuff like that. And here is Maven part. This got me a few days to figure out. We have a command upload archives. There we go into repository of Maven developer. If you have a Maven repository, then you have the link for Maven. I have the link for Forge Maven. Then you have a username and password for that Forge Maven. You add 3 or as many artifacts as you need. One of them is the obfuscate, one of them is source, and one of them is universal, that is your mod. Then you start your group ID, version, artifact ID, then project, that is your base project name, package is jar, your description, your URL to your GitHub source. Then the only thing you need to change is this part, again, from your GitHub repository. And same as here, and same as here. Of course, that's for GitHub. Issue Manager is again from GitHub. Licenses, I have a license of MIT and the link for that MIT. And the developers is me, this is my name, and the role is developer. Okay, cool. Now that we have set it all, we go back, and of course we run stuff again, and I will get build failed because I have no internet connection at the moment. Let's see if I can connect to internet. I'm not sure. But the thing you need to do is that you run clean again, decomp, and workspace. And your workspace will be ready with all the dependencies, all the settings you had. When you want to send to Maven, you use this command, gradle build upload archives, and that would read that upload archives section from your build.gradle and send to Maven. And yeah, I got lots of stuff. Credits are credits. I got lots of stuff for here from Pymar's code. I'm very happy with that, especially the Maven part. It works nicely. Then the other stuff is all from Pymar up to this point. Yeah, all of it from Pymar. And now that I'm done, I will not remove the commented lines because honestly, I'm not sure if it will work properly now, but you will see. And goddammit, I don't have internet connection yet. So I'll pause the video. If I have any internet connection later, I will come back. Okay, got my internet working. So we're on the clean command. And why didn't it work? Now what? Clean. Huh. Okay, let's read it. Build failed with an exception, build file project, blah blah, build.gradle line 111. Line 111. Huh. Okay. Could not compile build file, startup failed, build at blah. Ambiguous expression could be a parameterless closure expression, open code block, or in many statement solution add an explicit parameter like it or okay, let's see. They closed it properly everywhere. That can be the reason. So this guy is there, this guy is that, there, and there, depends. This guy is that, this guy is that, this guy is that, this guy is that, 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 and of course I'm sure upload Maven is correctly. Okay, so classes from source sets that main that output include, so this is there. What the what? The what? The what? EN username? Oh, derp. There we go. That's one part of it. You think it's solved? Yeah. There we go. Waiting, 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 waiting. Waiting, waiting, more waiting. Come on, Vaila. Come on, come on. As I said, these downloads are happening only once, every now and then. And after that, you are golden. For every mod you will add the build stuff like that, you have a local repository of this Maven, so it will be fast. Although I finished the downloading, I am resolving the dependencies now. I'm not sure why it's taking so long. 500 more minutes for my first upload, God. The joy of YouTube using in a blocked country. There we go. Now we get the development again. That's the palm, that's the jar. And we get the code chicken core. Not enough items, sorry. Not enough items. Development version. Now code chicken lip. Development version, of course. And now code chicken core development. And we are done. And well, we should be golden now. That make a start is important. Okay, build successful. And now we only run the workspace again. Let's see what we got in our we need to add a lips folder later. Lips. I'm not using it, but meh. So lip sources, we don't have anything here yet, but I will show you that we need it later. So, resolving dependencies again. In the meantime, let me show you something. My mods, 1710, Coffetch Leap. Where are you? Coffetch Leap, because I will use it later. So let's have a look inside of it. So downloads, where are you? Downloads? Coffetch Leap. There we go. When you go into course, there is 3 options there. I will show you that. In the meantime, we downloaded the Vila again. This is the sources this time. And we keep, not that guy, but we need to go into the library itself and other downloads. Under other downloads, you see this Coffetch Leap development. We want that, okay? And we want the jar itself too. Was that all? Yeah, that's all. Well, the Coffetch development, if you take a look inside, yeah, then we have these API items and these are classes. So what is the difference? Where was the source? You would think that there is a source somewhere. Coffetch Leap, or was it Coffetch Core? I'm not sure. Let's take a look. No, come back. Coffetch Core, other downloads. And yeah, keep it. Okay. Okay. Come on, other downloads, please, will you? Get done this part. And one more thing. Again. Other downloads, thank you. And these guys, there's no source code either, but we will keep them. I will show you how to use it later. The reason I'm downloading these because I want my what did I see? Mistcraft. Wow, Mistcraft, finally! Haha. Okay, the reason I'm getting them is that we want to hook our factory to redstone flux or RF energy later. So yeah, not enough items. And yeah, thank you, XComp. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so Chicken Bones in his forum post has this for mod developers, okay? But we don't need that. We want to go into downloads because that data is old, okay? Keep that in mind. And we are done with this guy. Thank you, XCOM. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Where is your download? Okay, I'll take it. Okay, in here, there are these source links, okay? I will get all of them, although I will only use, I think, code chicken core and not enough items. But I would like to have the sources as much as possible. So I got all the sources. This is my first time that my internet is working properly now. Okay, Mistcraft for, yeah, Minecraft 1710. Hooray to that. Hooray. Right in time, because I'm starting my new Let's Play series. Good, okay, enough of mod downloading. Okay, so now we have leaps sources. In leaps, although, let me double check something. If we now run IntelliJ, let me see. Come on, IntelliJ, work for me. Work. And 30 minutes, okay. Come on. Okay. File. And going to project structure. Modules. Do I have, yeah, you see I have glHandler, now I have Voila. And can I search here for code? Or yeah, chicken. Yeah, here we go. Not enough item, code chicken core, and code chicken leap. But as before, if you look at your external libraries for them, so for example, code chicken core assets, no, not that, code chicken core, whatever. You see this compiled code. Yeah. I explained it last time, but I will go through it one more time. So I will add chicken bones. Okay. And you remember we downloaded some stuff here. Code chicken core source. Okay, so core. and this should have all the Java files for me. The obfuscator is, I don't know, so I will just obfuscator add it here. I'm not sure. Anyway, then not enough items, of course. Code chicken, NEI. And we don't need metaninf, we don't need net, Minecraft, client, GUI. As you can see, it's just GUI container there. But if you want, you can extract it here too. And the last one is, of course, if I can find it, code chicken core. Not enough items. Where is code chicken lib? Did I not download it? Oh, it's easy to be fixed. It's easy. Code chicken lib. Code chicken lib. And of course here we have the source for that guy. Keep. So I should have it now here. Refresh. Yeah. So we have that code chicken again. And here we have the lib. Okay. There we go. Now inside our project structure again, for each one of them, where was it? Code chicken core, edit, we add lib for it inside the projects repository, Minecraft, of course mine if I find it, and jpiston mod and libs and sorry, lib sources and code chicken mod. Okay, and it will add it as source. Then code chicken lib, add it again. I should have copy pasted it anyway. The projects, where are you? Repository, Minecraft, and you can see that I have hooked, or I should say cloned many codes out there, because honestly one of the best ways to learn, did I add this guy to here? Yeah. One of the best ways to learn modding is to read other people's mods. That's the best way to learn. So yeah, projects, repository, Minecraft, and take a look. I have SHS, blah 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 blah, every other mod that it's out there, basically. Okay, so lib source again, code chicken mod. Okay, and okay, apply. Okay, and if we close this guy, if we open it again, and we still see this guy. Why is that? Why is that? And we are in code chicken core. Maybe because I did it wrong. Code chicken core. Edit this guy, remove, add. Yeah, I think I made it wrong. Let me do it a bit different now. So in here I will delete everything. I will add core, lib, and of course NEI. In core, code chicken core, I will add this guy here. I think that's the proper way. And in lib, I will add this. And in NEI, I will add these two. Okay. Now, I will copy this guy for my sanity. I will paste it here, and it will go to Chicken bone. And remember, This is for, what was that? Core, I think. Okay, and okay. Yeah, apply, and okay. Now if I open any one of these, and there we go. We have the source, okay? Of course, that has many errors because meh, you know, but why not? And what is your problem now? Hey, what happened there? Well, am I? Yeah, again, the ID. So JDK, C, program files, Java, JDK, okay, and apply. And okay, because I cleaned the workspace, then I need to do this time and time again, okay? So this was the core. For the lib, again, project structure, modules, define the lib this time, edit, and remove this guy, okay? I said remove, sorry, and remove, what did I do now? Ouch. I just hope, yeah, I duplicated it basically. Okay, Control V, and this is the lib, okay, and okay, and apply, and okay. So if I choose anything from libs, for example this guy, now I should see the source. And finally, not enough items. So project, again, going to chicken core, not enough items. And remove the source. And sorry, add here. And this is NAI. Okay. And okay, and apply, and okay. So now if I find not enough items, I open any one of those classes. For example, button. Yeah, you see the code. That's how you hook your sources out there. Now I remember that I need, that's the another part of this. I need coffee lib. Okay, how do I hook it to this? Well, I think it's that guy. Huh? Was that guy? Fetch API. Those are classes, come on. Fetch lib itself here. Then in resources, make it fetch. And the lib development one inside here. Okay. And now we need to run those pesky commands again. So where was that? The projects, repository, Minecraft, my systems. Okay. So again, clean, go. And remember, I didn't add fetch lib to my dependencies on build because I didn't know the path to its Maven or anything like that, but it's simple. You put it in the libs and bingo, it will work. So, come on. Just double checking something. No, not here. Not here. Here, here, and yeah, we need the lib there. Okay. And inside here. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so inside lib sources, fetch. This is not the one because it's the classes. but we need something from sources. So how do you find the source? It's simple. glib source. That's the easiest way, I think. And of course it won't find it because that is not glh lib source. And we go into GitHub and we need to now download it like that, I think. I hope not. It should have been some other ways. Huh. Okay, glh team glh and core mods, core, no, 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 downloads, please. Last time I checked, glib had a source in here, but now I don't see it. Dev. No, I don't see it here now. Okay, the easiest way. Download that zip. Start download, and I'm getting it by this guy. Open it, and then master, and of course this is not source main java blah glh. We need that one. Okay, so lib sources, we remove this guy, and I'm in the wrong directory, of course. Projects, repository, Minecraft, mine, jpiston mod, lib sources, glh. Okay, so from the GitHub that we downloaded the source, let me run it again for you guys. This is the file you downloaded. You go into source, main, Java, and you drag and drop glh here. So this guy now has the Javas. Okay, we need that one. That's one way. And of course, I need to hook to glh again and something else. This is how I find gits, by the way. Mighty Pirates open computers, then go to Mighty Pirates and bam, you have lots of things to now download again to GitHub. Anyway, so we build it successfully, and why did I close it? Come on, dude, work. Use your brain, Jiraiya. Okay, there we go. Decomp. And you see these times it's fairly fast because as I said, I downloaded every dependency and I have a copy of that in local. And come on. There we go. And finally, workspace. Something to mention that came to my mind now If you use dependencies like this inside your build.gradle file, it will force people to download these two mods, okay? So there is no other way around it. Same as putting it into the lib folder. So keep that in mind. Now we can run it. And the project is loading and finally going into project structure. And now we need to find, as you see, I have Vila, but I need to add the sources for that. But I'm looking for coffee lib and adding its resource for time being because I have it. Not chicken bones, but this time in coffee and coffee. Okay. And okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. And in my libs, if I find coffee, come on, coffee. What's the problem, dude? Find it for me. External libs, coffee lib. Oh, not here, derp. It's here. In libs, coffee. Now, API. Come on. And if I open anyone, I didn't find it. Okay, what's the problem now? Lib sources, coffee, API. That's API, this is the library. I think, yeah. Okay, API and lib, so what is your problem now? There is no way to add libraries like this. So project structure, coffee, edit, sources. Oh, yeah, because I had to go one directory inside. So coffee, I need to select this guy. Okay. Okay. Why are you derping? Minus add coffee lib. Okay. Okay. Okay, something's wrong. Something is wrong. Coffee, and I have, this is called chicken now. Inside downloads. Where is the coffee? Interesting. Oh, I downloaded with this guy. So yeah, where are you? Here. Open. Close down. Source. Main. Java coffee. That's the same thing. Okay, let's do this time like this. Incitement. All of that. And delete this guy. Now if I remove this, if I add it again, lib sources coffee, yeah, okay, and yeah, it finds the Java file, blah, apply, okay. Now if I open any one of those, I see the code inside, I think. Yeah. And all of them are interfaces, of course, except this one, but you see the code. There we go. Took me a bit. Like this guy. Now we see the code inside of that. Good, good, good. But hey, we have our old problem again because we set the project without the IDE, and it should be this. Apply, okay, and yeah. Okay, so I think that's enough playing with builds, but now you see how you can add your sources. One more thing that I want to find is the voila source. Of course, if it's open source, it should be. Let's hope. Voila Bitbucket. Of course, it's open source. And you take a look here. So I can clone it like this. I can just copy it and use our handy dandy source tree and add new repository. Boom, boom, and come on. Yeah, clone. Okay. In the meantime, I want to download it. No, not like that. Clone is source tree. I want to download it. Source. I'm already cloning it, but I want to download it, you know, as a zip file. Oh, here, downloads. Derp. I never used Bitbucket that much. But now I'm very interested in seeing his other repositories there. Download repository, boom. And of course it's done on source 3 right now. If you wonder how much it takes to upload my video, now it's 47 minutes. Yet 46. For a 40 minutes video, got me around 4 or 5 hours to upload it. So look at that. Voila, Java, Opus, wow, Mobius score, ModJam 4, got chicken core, not enough item, map writer, health mod, ModJam 3, yeah, TE reader, huh. And there isn't any readme, but source, we can get all the sources if we want. What was that? ModJam 4 source. Come on, download it already. Downloaded IDM. Please rename it to voila source. And will you please? Yeah, there we go. Faster. I like IDM. There we go. So Professor maybe is voila, and of course we have source and main, and we need to put that in our lib sources under voila. There we go. And in our project, go to project settings, modules, find voila, set voila. Come on, voila. There we go. And we, it already had its source. Interesting thing about Maven is that it sometimes adds the sources by itself. Okay, so now we should see that if I go to external and voila, and you choose it as it's, no, there, and if I open any one of them, I see the source with all the documentations. Nice. I like those mods that has this much documentation in them. Anyway. Okay, so in this episode, I had done the very base ground for hooking to RF energy, believe it or not, hooking to Voila for the thumbs up, or I should say, what the tooltips, and of course any AI stuff if I need to change them later. And we will see that if I can find a way to properly do it, we will change it so that when I open the GUI, the buttons on an AI move around and sort themselves so that there won't be any overlaps. That's the whole point. But update entity, receive event client, get size inventory, and this is region inventory. Okay. So remember, I think I jumped in last episode by hooking to two different things in the generic JBlock tile entity. Let me explain it a bit more in depth, although it's taking long in this video, but meh, who cares? Okay, here is two different parts. If you are hooking just to tile entity, extend tile entity, ignore this part, okay? We are just extending tile entity. We just need these two. Write to MBT, read to MBT, okay? If we are implementing inventory, then we need this section that is all about inventories, okay? That would be get size, get stack, decrement stack size, get stack in a slot, set inventory slot contents, get inventory name, has custom inventory name, get inventory stack limit is usable by player, open inventory, close inventory is item valid for slot. Okay? This part is for the implementation of inventory. The only thing from tile entity is read and write to MBT. I just needed to clean that a bit because honestly I jumped the ship by implementing two things and I felt maybe people will be confused. So have fun everybody, see you in next episode, and in next episode I think I will start our, well, why not, the GUI of the factory. That will be a bit in depth because we need to have containers, we need to have the GUI itself, we need to handle slots, lots of job to do. Have fun everybody, bye bye. Okay guys, me from future. We have problems, yeah. The code is not running because the way we added the build.gradle stuff. As I said, I was not sure if it will work like that. So let's take a look. Repository, Minecraft mine, mod, and build.gradle. The problem is Maven. Okay. One part is this part, the repo from which to get any IM stuff. Then we are going down. glHandlers, Voila. Do I need to add the, 1 second please, Minecraft. Okay, you come back. No. Okay. That is this part. here. The jar. Hmm. You know what? Let's do it the way we know it will work. And here we remove this part. There. And Minecraft. Mine. Lips. Now we need to hook to different things, and I will do this. But not enough might. Any one of those that is faster. Chicken chunks, no matter. We're just looking for this and this. Okay, so for development we need code chicken core, not enough item. Keep, and I don't see code chicken leap here. We shouldn't need that. Okay, so I will show it in folder because not enough item and code chicken core development. So we cut that, we move it into libraries, and of course now we are doomed. Every time you do this, you are doomed. You need to clean and dash refresh dependencies, decomp workspace and then workspace. Yeah. Okay. We don't see code chicken leap here. That's interesting. I thought he would put code chicken leap here somewhere. No. Promotions? What are promotions? Huh. Okay. Are we done? Not yet. For the time being, why not hooking these guys? So Java. Just between these two recordings, build.gradle updated. Interesting. That was interesting. In less than an hour, 2 times updated on build.gradle. What can I say? That's Forge for you. Go peace. There we go. Then the comp. It has nothing in it. Okay. Map writer obvious. Hmm? Come on. Okay, the comp is finished, and finally the workspace. There we go. So we can now run the project again. There we go. That was what I mean when you have the project open. It will yell at you that you need to reload it from scratch. File project structure, first of all, the IDE. Can we remove one, please? These are duplicated. Edit. Remove, yeah. There we go. And I want to remove this guy too. Come on. Okay. So project JDK1. Okay. Apply. Okay. There we go. And then into structures, modules, and we should see code chicken core that needs to now add to the library. Minecraft. Yeah, where I'm looking here. Chicken bones, and this is core. Okay. Okay, apply. And not enough items. Plus lib sources. And chicken bones, NEI. Okay. Okay, apply. Okay. Now we should be okay running the game. Hope so. No, not hope so. So what's the problem? I'm not sure. Or I think I know what's the problem. I think I know what's the problem now. Yeah, it's for NEI because NEI didn't update yet to the latest forge. That is causing issues. But now at least I know that, so I can come here and just uncheck it. It will remain there, but it's unchecked. No, not yet. Interesting. This is new. So go chicken core. Apply. Okay. No. What is the problem? Code chicken lib. Where do I have code chicken lib? File project structure. Code. Come on. Code chicken lib. apply. Okay. Play. No. Now what? Now what is causing this huge problem? Again, code chicken lead dev jar. Man, what the heck? Whoops. Oh, 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 oh. We have a copy of them in here. Ha. Oh, that was the issue. And now the Minecraft is coming up but saying that you need not enough items any, and hope now if I tick these guys it won't cause any problem. Not enough items any. Where am I depending on that? In the project I don't depend on that yet. In let me see, build.gradle dependencies. Okay, this is Maven part. We don't have anything to do with the Maven part. This is the signing of jar. This is the Jenkins part. Import. Okay. We are just using Voila. Is Voila depending on NEI itself? That would be unfortunate. That really would be unfortunate. Well, if that's the case, we can roll back this guy. I don't want to do that. Time to check the IRC. Let's put back what I deleted before. It was right on top of here. Okay. And in here. Can't see it now. Yeah. There we go. Rolling back, but I'm sure as hell it will cause problems. Oh yeah. So while is depending on NEI itself, that's a bad news for me. Now again, clean. I want you guys to see the debug, complete debug on how we can handle these stuff. And by the way, as always, Minecraft Forge in IRC is very helpful place. Ordinasty, yelling, shouting, thanks guy, because this guy helped me a lot. Him and DSYeben, however you call his name, I'm not sure. And of course, Lumiere, Crystal, then reading the names. Yeah, Lumion, sorry, Lumion, and Crystal, and Matt Brox, and Abrar Sayed, many people. Khazar, and yeah, if I'm going to give credits, half of the room people should have credits from me. Come on, load, load, load. Load so that I can post a gist about the problem and see what is the problem. I know what is the problem because you see Forge 24, I think, or was it 23, changed few names on their methods on inventory. For example, close inventory, open inventory, has custom inventory name and get inventory name. These are changed in names of method, and of course those mods that are not updated yet to these namings has problems. Yeah, whatever. Okay, the comp. But that's cool because the worst case scenario, I just need to flashback just this number. Okay, and everything, again, of course, cleaning, decomping, and workspacing, and blah. But I already have the versions on my local, so it's just a few minutes, to find the proper version. But I want to double check it with people in IRC channel because, as I said, I'm new to modding. They know better than me, much better than me. And well, run mods. Yeah, we have duplicated of everything. Why is that? Well, I can tweak it later. And you'll see how I do that. But 1 second, let it finish its job. Why is it taking two? Okay, that disabled. This is how I disable mods. Okay. And of course, now it yells at me that I need to load, and let's play. Cannot start compiler, the SDK, okay. Of course, the SDK is this guy. Apply, okay. And run. And it seems that it is working this time. Interesting. So, yeah, it's running. Here we go. Forge, microblocks, blah, blah, bubble. Yeah, I can ignore all of them. But now, yeah, we have any eye. We have any eye. And you are there. there, sorry, there, and no rain. Thank you. And it's set to no, good. But it moves, so game rule do daylight cycle false. Ow! Again, unknown command. Game rule has E, okay. Time set 6111 6000, sorry. So it doesn't move at all. Okay, so if you are wondering what was the problem, well, basically I had duplicated mods in my mods folder. The old versions were not the proper ones because they were just older, and as I said, Forge named the names. Let me double check my external libraries now. Code chicken core, add assets, any one of the, yeah, I need to just set my libraries now. So code chicken core, where are you? Code chicken core, edit, plus, and it's fairly easy now. You should got used to it by now. Okay, apply, and not enough items, edit, plus, libraries, code chicken, NEI, okay, okay, apply, okay. And if I close it again and run any one of those stuff again, what is that? Code chicken core 26. Am I running the 26 now? No, I'm running 29 now. Code chicken core, code chicken lead. Do I have duplications here too? 1, JPiston leaves 29 and 62. But I don't see them there, so project structure. $26 and $56. No, that's old one. And 29. Yeah, I have duplications. So these two are not. These two are the new ones. So okay, apply. Okay. And if I resync, it's not here, of course, it's here this time. Yeah. Okay, assets, code chicken, core. There we go. We have the code. But the reason for that duplication that you see in the library is that I'm not really happy with it now, is our build.gradle. The build.gradle is getting the older versions, and I'm not sure why. Let me check. This is the nice thing, you know, I like the community of Minecraft a lot because people help each other a lot. I had seen many games, I had seen... Sir, I'm not joking! Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry guys, it's not recording. Recording the Hicks chat window. I'm not joking, but thankfully the OBS is not recording the Hicks chat window. Yeah, as I was saying, this is the nice thing about community of Minecraft. I had seen many mods, many games. The modders never reply to people this fast. But Minecraft is something else. So, until Professor Mobius could not resolve what? Okay, at least till Professor Mobius come with a solution for this, uh, that would be the case. I think it will take, at worst case scenario, 1 day or something like that, because it's a simple fix. They are chatting right now on how he can depend on code chicken leap in different way and code chicken core so that it will automatically depend on the latest build. But as you saw, even then, when we had duplicated libraries, we could manage that. We could play the game. So, back from future. See you in next episode. Bye-bye.